Someone just le antri ni chukchi badre. Tamu manzo lobse physics ki chapter ni wadi force and laws of motion theory. The force and laws of motion chapter di half di cha ta manzo cha re. Cha di tamu manzo zam sha di second law of motion bachi share. Second law of motion ki statement katlana rate of change of momentum is equal to the force applied. The rate of change of momentum lana to tango 6r chikles was and the physical quantity chikwa and d ta ta to denma go to. So rate of change of momentum ta and chala dela force applied chikyo. The rate of change of momentum lana chala dela force applied chikyo kugyo stira kugyo manu the jora dela momentum la. So that the momentum the khandisime ani majo hoju kaza khare and dene matishi gache. And second law the rate of change of momentum the force equal rasa the momentum lana it is the product of its mass and velocity. Okay, the object dela chapter go to the motion khandis go res object la motion khandis go lana force apply chini re nasa that to unbalanced force chik apply china and object the move chi res and object is in motion be res ra that delay to gala motion delay to gala and manzo Isaac Newton ki law sum proposed chida first law second law and kare third law. First law ki force apply mache paduna and state of motion the ranja di res. Second law di khala object the force applied chine unbalanced force yana external force yana applied force applied chine object the move chira the move chitu kala momentum chi produce chires momentum lana ta toto shena motion chi produce chires ra the motion dida and khare chikpare object la movement kashe khali chi kashe ding jam kashe to move chira so the momentum the magnu dida khare chikpar lana chala dela force ka apply chigu di chipare la. So the momentum ki symbol khare p momentum ki symbol p che ani momentum khandis che thu res lana rata chala dela force apply chine ugyo stira ugyo di khaje the do le den khandis re chala di mass ta chala dela velocity chi produce chira tini guna ani chala dela ugyo khaje the do momentum khaje produce chiso di na che thu res la. The momentum di vector quantity res. Vector quantity lana kase ngadu khari share vector quantity la du quantity lana minus share then mass into velocity ngadu quantity magnitude chira vector quantity lana object di khagi chola du do ani di gi cho do anashin gi and state of direction of motion la object di khagi chola du do di gi direction la and object di momentum di direction cho de res la. So the la momentum di vector quantity magnitude plus and kare direction yana momentum di khare lana ani mv la the mass into velocity product of mass into velocity with direction and jaza ko kare vector quantity res la. SI unit kare SI unit of momentum is mass ke SI unit ani kg che velocity kare meter per second. So SI unit of momentum kachare kg meter per second. The second law ki khasha so force ta and momentum chiko re la so kasi ne tango dine formula la phuju ta first second law of calculate chi F is equal to so that 1 Newton kg meter per second square chila but 1 kg meter per second chigla ani khare 1 Newton chi re la sa 1 Newton la force ki unit ra so dila the kg meter per second la du kala khare 1 kg meter per second 1 kg meter per second chigla khare 1 Newton. So la du force the momentum chipo chaza dida 1 Newton chipo 1 Newton khare ka chire force ka unit ra di khare ka unit re momentum. So momentum change in the momentum the force and chipo res or the ma second law of motion ka chaza so momentum and chip. Okay, that next momentum only approaching go to actually the jana momentum that your next topic to do and calculation to some more illustrations. In a cricket match, a fielder gradually pulls his hand backwards with a fast moving ball in order to increase the time duration which the high velocity of the moving ball decreases to 0. By doing this, the impact on the fielder's hand will be reduced. Cricket match kabla ani tanga batting ching gi ani tango boile gi ball yu ra dene batting ching di bat la ke ne shudu bala atu shubchen ko shudu bala ball du ande chintang. So the cricket fielder di cricket ball to juwa du bala atu ne shabya ball dele da inde sia juwa du ma reslar. Ball di inde cheneta nam yu ne inde yungu tu bala lapadi ball maling inde lapadi inde ma is cheers. Tadi mal inde ma chi ko dimje khachu re la na ball di thengi bat ke hit yu chira force shu apply cheers ra force apply shu chu bala second row ki phashe so force da momentum chikar la sa akona kugyo shu kya bol so dila du kugyo kya do measurement di da khari chikar hai force chikar so batting shu shu da so the call motion sure ta di yondu bala in this shabya juwa dona sra lapa la so ye shuk shu kya bole dikale hurt ma chi res ra lapa na res ta di la du bala bol ene yondu bala so lapa ne smike backward chona china ko gi nanda ball spin chin yongi chora di gi time duration ki increase chibor time duration ki increase chidu kala achibore lana sra ani ko gi momentum speed decrease chibore to speed decrease chibore and momentum decrease chibore thama denma ane ball na judu kala ko bachayre zero chalre object di at rest chalra so di indu kala so lagare hurt che di bed numa rest so doctor kala velocity decrease chena speed decrease chena ene chen ball phabe di de kera nam la juwa dona ko duzu tundu chi la ju sha sa nam la ma ju che ene sma la khanda na ball di thade ma yom du da kali ko ga chi le distance khachu jinga ma ro ene ko speed di cha du ra de ma momentum the new du du bala la khare hurt che nu ares so force applied the momentum chi pa in the next example, this is also daily life na thokor the experience you can. In a high jump event in athletes are made to fall either on a cushioned bat or on a sand to increase the time of the athlete's fall to stop after making a jump. This will save the athlete from injury. Making a cheaper the concept. Okay, high jump kya hoga class bar shalga. So height khacho yama cross chitu to ra. So high jump even number la in this jump chutu galas hajo side mid day na ha jump chige na dene bar disha du gala ta height khajo 5 meter khajo shai na dene ba jump chutu bege jump chisa ta negative and flow shai with us ena bage na kare sofa in disha das ena sand khachile kana jana ha dimgu da sand kala jona ne smart dimgu da hajine pore so ra tipar so and in the shag das the shag boy can say khare la na and high jump kala and athlete it is a jump jar to the hard the hurdles the bar the cross your height to so the into kala shuk shu gya du kala and body de la kare momentum hai chipar force ka pena 50 newtons kya na momentum there de chipachigya dina so body la motion there the le kala bage la cushion da yana sen sha me na khajire cha nan mage tapra so mage tapdu kala ko lamsam chila thuji la ma dabdu gala force shukchimbu gya ne momentum shukchimbu yoza injury yungu res la subula nuge yungu res la ta kese cushion disha yana sen disha na ani object di tambo cushion kala de phabura ta athletes di and the cushion ditis ma and as ma droedwa ma decrease ya so ma tu mi ma decrease so time duration increase ya yana chema na ma and as ma dimsa and shine ground la ma ta shira. So this are the cricket ball ma time increase your lashing the athletes the salama to at a time the increase your so momentum the ma decrease your velocity decrease cha dura momentum decrease your and injury no wrestler. Okay, now next concept momentum that your next law of conservation of momentum. Ta hashe ore momentum nana force applied chikyo object de la force applied chikyo didang and rate of change of momentum chikpa re la sa rate of change of momentum nana initial momentum the final momentum dini domba da kasa dini the ne didang ani kare force applied chikyo di chikpa re la law of conservation of momentum la Okay, law of conservation of momentum. Nana momentum. Initially momentum initial before force applied chikyu kabla object la momentum ta finally ani kare force applied chine momentum di chipa res na. So dila tu o dila kala rate of change of momentum. Initial momentum ta final momentum o dila diche. So ta azana so derivation tundo. We have to suppose two balls A and B moving on the same straight line with the same direction. Object near ball A the B kare straight line the rest straight line and A B moving on the same straight line with the same direction. Okay, same direction. Let U A that U chunga le mas in da ye nambi anso U chunga na le initial velocity data. Let A be the UA with the initial velocity of H and U be the initial velocity of object B and a ball B. Then let VA V the final velocity of ball A, V be the final velocity of object B. Sum of the initial velocities of the ball A and B or the correct initial velocity equal to sum of the final velocities of the object A and B and ball A and B. Chipa di res na law of conservation of mass. And also chemistry na kasi also chapter na dosa dina na karsa law of conservation of mass. The total mass of the reactants, the total mass of the product, the change matters. It will be conserved. There will be no change in the total mass of the different atoms in the reactants and total mass of the reactants in the products. As a total mass of the atoms, different atoms in the product. Raja di res na. On the machine ki initially object ki the momentum evyo da ani move chisa vechana ani momentum produce yura di total ni di chipa res. Chipa di res. Dua thing mare. O the nakate law of conservation of momentum. Okay, ta manzo de o di go chue chitu. To eche momentum gachi. Calculation is ball A, ball B. Tanda padu force apply chigura. So correct initial velocity later UA UB the ball A machesh the ball B the UA the UB initial velocity of chaza then eta force apply chires ra the incline plane. Okay, ta kachi so force apply chisa then ball thampo A the stationary ingyo the move chisa kala kansam ji swing che and koni kache ne jar ni desa. So jar de tu kana ni chana khare attain chire final velocity ball A the ball B the final velocity attain chir ta di khachare VA the VB. So dengi UA the UB tomkyo de the VA the VB tomkyo di raja di res na store sam di. So the condense re nana mazu calculation example do na. Okay. Law of conservation of momentum. Okay, object ni yoches. Object ni object chik ni khare A chika chikare B. And object de la mass yora mass A mass B. Chaza. Okay. The object ni the direction chik la to res la the object di cho to the straight line object di cho to the Okay, so this is before collision. Before collision, ball A, ball B. Before collision, ma thung ye ne force apply ma check ye ne. Collision. Ta let VA the velocity of the object A, and VB is the velocity of the object B. So that VA is greater than VB. Into kala ball road dogo nasa done ball ni dikachire collide chis. Collide lana two rays. Ball ni de there is two rays. A, B, and A and B mass. Collide. Okay, that collide chitu kala tingi anso ball A did the A, UA radela. Ani MA chasa. Andi nashingi ball B la kare UB and MB ra. Tadi before collision. That collide chis. Before collision. Before collision, okay. After collision, attach it. So, this is ball me into force apply chesa. Ball A B la force apply che, B A la force apply chesa. So, F D A B la na ball A B la force apply che. This is ball B A la force apply chis. This is momentum to produce your final momentum. Okay. That's the law of conservation of momentum. Okay. Okay, P is equal to mv lana kare. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity lana. Okay, so now here momentum is equal to mv lana. So object ni is a nicha mass ki dewa. Ma complex chana M1 2 chine. Okay, MA and MA and VA che plus and object B gach MB VB. Okay, jasa then next kare di nicha kare the cheaper and object is a object chigi mass, the object chigi velocity and object is a niki working generation. So the color total D cheaper as the D into the M D common negative mass check then VA okay VA minus UA initial velocity. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so the thing is object giving object ball A, ball B, A B nata and what the mass la A B tasa, mass la A B tana dena alphabet mamuche one so mass la 1 2 time mass object 1 kachi mass 1 M1 che object 2 B kachi mass 2. Okay, that the before collision, the after collision. Collide chisa chela object A the object ball A the B la force apply chiste. the force the FAB chasa B the A la force apply check, that is BA, object BA. B A la force क्या रहेगा? तभी negative बचने रहे force नहीं भी तोड़ो रहेगा, चिप पार रहेगा, चिप सोड़ता, so the negative direction में लेकिन ज़रूर ये ठीक है तो मतलब force negative force apply चीज़ लाए मारते quantity नामना इन्हें छोड़ लाते हैं negative values में बोल ये क्या कैसे होना direction बचते हो पर मतलब magnitude को ना रांझर देने 2 newtons इना देने 2 newtons के okay the after collision ball ni di collide chine charsa adi jabdu kala hore na ye na 2 newtons kana 2 newtons ke la so that is FAB for object A ball A di B la force apply ker in ashin ki object B di A la force apply cher so the into kala koni force ni continue di chipar sa so FA is equal to minus FBA. So force is equal to MA लगा force is equal to MA ये correct first law of motion force is equal to MA and F is equal to force is equal to M V correct rate in कैसा final velocity divided by initial velocity then momentum is equal to mass into correct velocity है ना so law of conservation of momentum लगी करना अनि इंगी second law भाषे so force ता momentum चिपो माइन चे force ता rate of change of momentum चिपो रहना सा so this लगी F is equal to P M V minus U ता चिपो रहना force ता momentum कंडस चिपो रहना ना momentum P माइन बा momentum rate of change of momentum ता चिपो रहना so this लगी बला अनि F A object A की कुदता है कि momentum जियोरा और the initial momentum the final momentum जियोरा before collision की momentum था अने after collision की momentum दी था अने object B की momentum जियोरा जियोरा अचने power force apply चीज़ा बता कुछ तीरा दिने चु force apply चीज़ा दिने कुछ केरा so total momentum की दी राजा दी रेस F A की initial था the initial momentum da any object B की A की का final momentum da B की momentum total the राजा दी रहे सर और देना conservation of momentum तो derivation चिना F1 लाना object A का चिना होता था नहीं ये तो A B बनता था F1 object 1 का चिना होता object A का is equal to rate of change of momentum खड़ा है F1 object 1 V1 minus U1 लाना final velocity minus initial velocity था दिखा रहा है rate of change of momentum charge object A बची इन्हें F2 ला जो object B बची rate of change of momentum खड़ा है M2 bracket V2 minus U2 लाना तो 2 लाया तो the object की notation चेक होता है शेंपा V minus U ला अने M V minus U टुगेदर खड़ा है rate of change of momentum and the rate of change of momentum the force equal ला so F2 is equal to this ऐसा का देने मा to do M1 V1 minus U1 is equal to the बचने force नि दिची पर है ना the quantity दिची पर बोला so is equal to M2 V2 minus U2 चासा next ला okay दी रांचा दी था दी चला आंसर M नि तो common है mass M common रहता mass common है object नि चला mass common है अनकर 1 kg है ना mass common है इन्हें V1 minus U1 is equal to अने करे V2 minus U2 M common रहता था दी multiplication अले दी multiplication चे दी plus velocity नि दी दो M दी multiply चेरा M into rate of change of moment कैसा M into rate of change of velocity रा so दी तो मेरा M into dini ला होता okay so ता दी into वाला initial momentum A object A का चिता initial momentum B का चित तोमनास नष्टे तोमना so M1 U1 plus M2 दी M2 U2 दी total दिदा अने M1 V1 plus M2 V2 दी object 1 का चिते final momentum दी final momentum of object 2 दी करे initial momentum of object 1 initial momentum of object 2. So dini tom samche na anja di res. So total momentum. The total the momentum ka the momentum ka. So moment object the before collision ki momentum da after collision ki momentum di raja di res. Before collision kala object dela u1 ra object 1 ka chi. So object p1 m1 u1 chara and before collision avata dela object 2 ina achede m2 u2 chara. Okay, that is before collision dela. Then after collision ladu kala koni gaji final momentum object a gaji p1 m1 v1 ra p2 gaji m2 v2. Okay, so dingi tomkyo raja di res. Before collision object di momentum da, after collision object di momentum di raja di res. So that is called as a conservation of momentum. Okay, so that is momentum, the force per winche and the conservation of momentum. Now the topic last, the chapter the topic last the correct Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion that it is laid out. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. That you gonna and tamazuki object chigi. Then I'm tit for tat door, Nashi, the old Chireta, all in. And tit for tat, and two college in a party in Jora, or the Nashingi, two Yakuchina by Yakuchi, two Duchina Paduchi, or the Nashi. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Motion and force that in the Devatana object equal, object Tango force applied to object new force applied to force mangu gyagyo chira odida and object new thambo dala gyagyo the force ni di chikpa res equal and ine force ni di cho hare doctor res doctor the object 1 digi force object b dala gyagyo in the stura pena ne ide chikpa dala force gyagyo na ne gi force ki direction pareda right and ne force pa chikpa la gyagyo dida and ne force ki direction pareda ye force chipa la force calculate dita chipa ina force calculate ye na force calculate chipa res equal da ho gimse dina shin ke opposite direction na ye ki chipa la force calculate direction of force pareda chipa ki hachi so ye la chu gya sa so that is opposite reaction na odla or then when an object exerts a force on another object the second object exerts equal force in opposite direction ki disha example da so in a game of football, when two players tries to kick a ball and if both the players collide, both of them will hurt. Okay. So football game na team ni na one ball team thambo digi and player chigi ball the kick shoot. Phajo dile so different change do chigire ka ingura shoot bala ball bange chunju jure play ni the as a studio bala Nija Nadu Gala, Shukchibush, Chene, force tone, and the Colachina, the Kikera, Yesuso, both and a Shukshibush, Gana player, Dina Shiki, the Shukshibush, Gana, and the Kachire, Nija, and a Kasahut, the Susu, Pevo, and the Hatab, on the Gane, Shukshibu Tapiresna. Takesi should dears Magana, Hajati should dears Magana, and Nija Nadias, and her Chima Resna. So did I do Gala? The first player the second player the force apply cheers and second player the first player the force apply cheers and force ni the mangu chipares in a first player ki force ke du pachu do the second player the force ke du chu yu the opposite direction or the love forces result from interactions na ta khalsi ma jo force chapter goes to kala jinda gewan ala mangu changsa rata ngazo di chapter goes to balance the unbalance symbol to ne kachine object move chi wala effect chi gore khasa effort chi gore stra effort chi produce chi na ani effect produce chi res ra effort chi ani apply chi na stra ani effect chi produce chi res so dela di object की move चाहिए या ना move ने rest चाहिए या ना move ने speed increase चाहिए या ना move चाहिए कब ला speed decrease चाहिए तो संग में force की चाहिए rest लासा force की condition को ना unbalanced force चाहिए rest लाना तो unbalanced force यदि कलास रा अने force जो object चिला apply चाहिए तो apply चाहिए ता मानरा नहीं rest contact force ता non contact force जिंदा क्या ना जाना okay forces result from interactions like the object ni tugo osa and that the contact force ina object ni tugo and interact does not mean inject tugo ma ya ma tu ne force apply here so the force the interaction ni yore sa na so the ochuna and next that logic forces result from contact interactions like frictional force Pena the flow left the flow along to the two way can say a slip ching the fly ching the catching relana ye shoes ki sol yoramage or the any kare ground key parula ye opposite force tene pa gabor and the dashing key ground key two ye shoes ki sol na two frictional force gaviazan ground the two the jeza kare and contact force in the gunze the tensional lana tensions la ju gana lana di and the LCD di hanging shadow the seva de la hanging shadow so tension the se na tension na shingi di dinju la pressure stay korte seva dinju la pressure stay seva de la ne handa di seva de la di ni de la LCD yo da dile jibo che yo na ko na seva ni de la tension ma a dile tension de ma ane ma ba खली छे दोएदा खली मा को दोएदा तो करेक्ट फोर्स किरा सो दी इंजा दिनसो लखाले रे टेंशन्स also पेना थापाच के निशाना पेना इताच के निशाना राकिता एना स्प्रिंग के निशाना दिस मार्टिन एंड दिनाशिंग की दिनसो यामाजो ता फिजिक्स ना हो स्प्रिंग बैलेंस तो हम स्प्रिंग बैलेंस ओके ता स्प्रिंग बैलेंस रा ता स्प्रिंग बैलेंस काला spring balance de do adana also kar do zero reading de da right zero readings okay scale the zero reading ta zero reading inde kala ta ye di let's see the ki de okay ta dengi zero re da ta ngaso ya chik the sa okay ta di ngaso khale re hola shu gya chu spring la tension te di spring ma na ne reading tu da dengi zero re da ta ngaso da 50 grams newtons in a 0.5 re da 0.50 newtons ani kare the 50 lana 49 dosage 49 grams rish and tene newton lana express chita so de la tu kala thingi zero di ranja de masa the spring la tension test that is called as a force exerted di chana ma chuti de topic mass weight and tira okay jugo che de na ma zo di wo se de chi yo okay okay so that is and now also zero wala de do ata tension na de graph spring wala tension still oh yes reading maximum ne guess maximum ne ge du kana then also ni pe ne de chi ko chita ba de mi bundle chi ko ta ngi zero wala shada ta error che ne de zero error did I give the 250 gs okay so doctor khareta di tension ride spring la tension tenza or to reading this scale the to chiste saman madura maximum rating ne gs ta namke also that na chunchu jugo kya endara so doctor ne and the tension la the goal chhe chite spring la tension teres la tina si seva wala ke du wala jugo chimbu de namgyu kesa de la hanger de la ma jo wall hanger ke dile jibo che ke na ma boy mu da cha mu da ti kare tension produce che okay so on the la de wall hanger de da ani seva di kare contact chu do dene applied force na pena ta nge gi handa ball di touch chisa ball di touch chisa ta nge throw chi push la di force apply chera so di la di ball ni contact chu da ma da la ko ball contact chu da so that is called as a contact forces ke example to the frictional tensional applied force then the forces results from an action at a distance interaction ta khare object ni di chik kita jina bora chik kita lo jina kya na jo contact force non contact force la ta na interactions like the contact interactions the non contact interaction la to bora action at a distance object ni di matu ne force kya bora pena gravitational force so mang je shin go le ne di things are the next chapter the dura so handa ma jo pena ball ding la pa judo apa june ya yu da ball di ya yu sa ma yu da right ma ajin yo gore ball di da ngin tu min da ya yu ne sa ne hang chin ne hai chin ne tin chin de so ine ko ma pul chi so di ni ball la ani force chi kya ri ne touch chi ma so that is a action at the distance without interactions not without interaction interact without touching okay then electrical positive the negative charge attract to kabla two mat so that is called as electrical force electrostatic force like we understand ke wala magnetic force magnet ni okay bar magnets ra tin so la le re bar magnet ta kha to ta la di not ta chik not re chik sa re chena ma jo experiment ba chena ha bura not khal sa te okay ta di ni de attract is a okay tu e ma da the mo de feel chi tu ge ta chena feel chi ta pa ju the ne so that is non-contact force the correct magnetic force then also jumping the earth le and magnetic force yora okay ta pena kungi na cha dida magnet comes on the thank you contact with the and the magnetic force apply chini iron materials la should there's some magnetic touches. So that is called as a magnetic force, electrical force, gravitational force. And so forces की active kabla touch chu mares interaction the chu touch chu mares at distance to ne ani aje force the apply chini effective to res okay that thinking is when we walk on a road we exert a force on the road and the road exerts equal force on your feet to make you move forward. And then this namkyu thik to understand you oh kombang ye kya gyo tong chobuda kombang anjo muscular energy peju tang gyo do okay ine anjo na road ki forward walk kare pen to or ajini kera it is ya kombang gya ka na road kala kombang juda ki soul to do bala na the force it is ya kya ora okay and the nation ki kare ya the negligible frictional force chi na horta okay so the and road ke ram na achiu de a force chi apply chu equal force so dila ju gala wo keran ki juda ke force kya gyo ti da ani khare juda la force kya da to subu ki muscular force kya hora di na force kya wa chi chi kya wo ani road ke kya hora sa di chen sa kera ya du na to tu hora okay dene dini keras ke text na yos tena ajo meda chinas gun ta rifle hinere pistol hinere ra ta gun di shuna hasa rifle shuna an soche di ma di tena rifle amala gun powder yana bullet gun shagra so hit chiwe kamla trigger di ne hit chiwe kamla khachire lana bullet di chola dos oza force apply chene di chola dos ra ane rifle di susugi kumba gala ani kare force de apply chine kumba la social de is value di kachin re lana de bullet di ani trigger chiwa kabla male rifle di trigger chiwa kabla bullet de la force apply chine bullet di dun draws a target chona din ashin gi moving bullet di chu ani rifle de la kare force exert chis. So equal force exert chis. Ine force ni di kare to direction opposite reda bullet dini atrosa rafel chu. Ene chis su bola. Or the and the law the third law of motion. The Nashinki sailor jumps out of a rowing boat. The sailor applies force on the boat and boat exerts a reaction force to the sailor. Then are choosing Yura. That choosing Sama Gazol Drosa, Sama Chitana, and choosing Tala. Ledu Gala, choosing Tala, Ledu, and choosing Ne Midima, Tundu Galata, choosing Pugila, Tapadam, Ega Chisarda, Ma Tuba to do in the smart Tundusra. I cannot in the smart Tundu Rangi Hachire, choosing the force Ma exert Chichira. Did I think it choosing the Kerala and two equal force opposite force apply Chisana, choosing the two and inside Chola to do this. So they let you gonna Natana Zukare force Kago Rangi Kamba give to board la force Kago did that, choosing the two Kamba la force Kago Chipares and the opposite direction to us. Did I think it should the board chippers in it to watch board Kichula force Kada Chugi board the two force cat. Okay, so opposite force ni the magnitude chipache direction loga or the color and Newton's third law. Every action has a equal force in opposite direction. Both okay, tadi. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. For forces always come in pairs. Cha leaders, cha ladu object the two gana and cha chigra, right? Pairs. For any equal ladu gala object dela force apply chita external force apply force F1. Tadi azu bugya tama dudu gala dena tadida kya kora tuya mara negi force ta tune kora mara tad ma tune be gumze karna nana suju chungi force yana frictional force ra bed kora shu cheda chen. So di ladu gala F1 di applied force di box dena kya kota dene two force kya ni di dene mene kare magi ground di and frictional force chik two kya kota. So that two F1 gagyo dina and F2 gagyo di magnitude chipa res das. Osa magnitude chipa and in a chol logarda F1 di chol do the F2 di chol do the opposite la we can say this opposite any action di F1 ki de force gagyo di actions any ground ki de la khasa box de la yana object de la force gagyo dikhacha hai reaction chas. Okay. Yes. Okay, I'm doing it.